There's a heat wave already in the UK, so today is all about the jet ski. I haven't been on this beast for ages. We've made it around to the beach. Let's put it into sport mode. Oh, it's in sport now. Now we're warmed up, we can send a bit. Let's get used to it again. That's insane. I forget how ridiculous it is. I realise I don't even need this in a floaty because I've got a helmet that it's attached to. But anyway, let's send some more. This one actually does wheelies, look. Let's try 180 first. Yeah! Oh, no foot can! Let's get a slow-mo no foot can. So, at Mersey where we're at, you can see the current's so powerful. Look at it. I'm on tick over, but I'm not moving because it's so powerful. Anyway, it makes kind of waves here. There's not much now, but should be able to get some airs going. Let's get a few slomes, I reckon, on there. Put it on the beach before. I've always been scared, but just YOLO'd it today. Unfortunately, there's not actually any waves out here today. Usually this river mouth, well, depending on the wind and stuff, gets some pretty big ones that you can launch miles. So we're gonna head that way into the Strood, and there's like little estuaries and stuff that you can like race through down there. It's well fun. So we're gonna head that way. We've got the drone. Louis is gonna have a go, and just all sorts of fun. Let's get over there. Louis is getting geared up now. Quite warm, isn't it? Boiling and so hard to put on, aren't they? You need to dive in at some point. Oh yeah, we can session the jump off point actually on the way. Louis on board now. Yeah. We're just going to quickly stop at the jump off platform. Are you ready? So Mersey's almost becoming an island. Give it another half hour, the road gets blocked, and then this is when Mersey becomes Mersey Island. So this is where we came the other day with that crazy boat, and I was going through here. You can see it's already way higher, the tide today. I'm going to blast into this, and you can follow the grass like a track. It's actually insanely sick. Louis setting the drone up. I'm going to do a quick sighting lap, but if it gets any higher, which it is going to, we won't even be able to see where the track is, so it's going to get sketchy. Let's have a look then. Oh, it's so sick, it's well smooth. Oh, it's scary, I don't know where the grass is. Yeah, let's drone it. That's insane. It's scary because you can't see the grass now though. It's going to go over the whole thing. weird then. It's like engine management or something. It's probably just boiling, isn't it? It's been like on the limiter for ages. No, it's supposed to be hot. Look at it now. Look at this though, like it's fully flooding. Someone's gonna break down in here. It's quite funny. Doesn't start anymore, we're stuck. So stuck. No, the coolant's up. Oh, that's just the bilge. Maybe it is just boiling. It's never done, like it would say it was hot. Yeah. That's weird that's on still though. It shouldn't be on without that. It's like stuck on. We do have a new title now, Louis. How to break a jet ski in 5 minutes. Louis hasn't even been on it yet. Okay, I just started it and now it's working again. But I'm scared to use it now because when I pulled the key off, it was still on. So if I crash, it'll just drive off. I won't even go in neutral anymore. Just grab it, get on. So upsetting that this is broken. Like the tide's so high, it's actually on the road. We can drive basically to the van. Got to find the trailer somehow. It's one of Louis' cars, isn't it? So if anyone wants a jet ski, just let me know. You can come and pick up the boat and the jet ski in one go. Listen to this round here, you couldn't hear it. I think that's the bilge pump, but it's not usually making that sort of sound. Cool, oh well. We've come to Mersey skate park. I thought I'd better keep the helmet on because I haven't skated for a while. We got the green beast. Let me just sort of, I'm gonna just drop it. Look at all this as well. And guys cutting over there. I'm just gonna drop in and then try and remember it quick. Whoa! Tiny little fall. Oh, that's well fun. Oh! Dream? Oh, no. Oh! Firing. Same one but the tail. Oh no, I want to try and get a long 50-50. Oh, rear peg or whatever it's called. Oh, oh I did a board slide. Oh. Up, Manny, drop in, you know. It's like a tsunami of kids inbound. We'll stay for a little bit more. Wow, I'm in a flow state. It's got a bit busy now. Stoked that all the kids are coming for a sesh, but I'm done. We got to clean the jet ski now anyway. Let's go. We got to clean off all the salt water, even though it's broken. And I'm probably going to throw it away. But cool, but if they slip the clutch, they'd literally die, wouldn't they? Yeah. Oh, 5 minutes. It only needs to be more than that. So that's the end of this amazing sunny heat wavy day. If you want to see anything else on the channel, the second channel, let us, any channel, just let me know. See you in the next one.